we're gonna look at April 15. If that's special or not, I don't know. But it's elevator problems. Oh, yes. We're going to look at some problems. So here's how to handle them yourself or others, I guess. There might be others that might help you. Yes. Good. All right, let's look at this. Ever been stuck in an awkward elevator, super awkward situation in your wheelchair? Yes, of course. Of course, we're going to have some ideas. Door closing too fast. These are too fast. So you got to think of that. Use your foot plate, or hand to safety block sensor. So hopefully you will get that foot plate or a hand to stop this stupid door. So I think this is an important one. People crowding. So usually when it's a lot of crowding people, I don't go into doors like elevators like that. I just wait for another elevator. For sure. So, or you can use your voice. I just need a little space. I don't care those. I stay out and I stay at another elevator. Sorry. So the can't reach button. Oh, I hate those. Still elevator at the other places that I go to visit people. So sometimes I have a big key, big key, and that helps me reach over to those asking people to clearly and directly for buttons, but I clear my own key. So if you need a bigger key, there's one right here. So this one helps me to find buttons. So you can find one of those or a big key, but a big large one so that you can, get your buttons. So I have that for sure. I love my key. So that's important. Now, there's some that you don't need to, so you got your key. You have earthquakes that you need to really, elevators usually have, people who have earthquakes have special elevators. So you gotta, in mind, you have your earthquake is probably going to stop until the situation calms down, and then you can get through to your floor. It doesn't matter exactly that you want the elevator, the floor. You just need to get out. So especially for earthquakes, once they stop, you just get out completely. It doesn't matter what floor it is. And then fires, I don't know. Usually I stay out into a floor. I don't stay in elevators. So when you can stay away from elevators and get out, go down. If people are, the fire department is going to help you to get out, or other people are going to pick you up and take you down to the elevator, they're going to take you down the, wherever they need to take you out, but not the elevator or any other elevator for that thought. Electrical, where sometimes they turn off the electricity, so there's no electrician, so there's no electricity, so you're stuck. So sometimes you'll have to wait until that you can get out your elevator. So sometimes they will let out that you're gonna take you out. So that just depends. So you gotta keep those points also part for your elevator. So you don't have to stay silent. Ask your questions. Small actions make a big difference for sure. So make your list of things that you could say for elevators, and also you don't have to stay silent. So remember, what's the toughest elevator situation you've had? So share that here in our community and see what you think of what the toughest elevator situations you've had, and I'll make some of mine. See what you think. But I know about my key, so I can enter. I can use those buttons when I need to. All right, people. Take care, and I will see you very soon to my next, my next elevator. Take care. Bye. I'm going to go look for my elevator.